TruckMate, Trimble's powerful transportation management system for truckload, LTL, intermodal, and brokerage fleets on a secure cloud platform. TruckMate is a software solution designed to manage the real-world demands of the shipping lifecycle. This TMS is especially suited for LTL, intermodal, multimodal, and truckload fleets with multiple modes and business units. TruckMate operates as a living ecosystem, providing the flexibility you need to configure customized workflows and add new functionality as your needs scale and change. TruckMate's modern cloud-based environment integrates with many existing software programs and Trimble applications. Powered by Microsoft's secure Azure platform, TruckMate offers safe, yet convenient access to your information anytime, anywhere. Ongoing system monitoring and end-to-end security protects your critical business data and tools, so you don't have to compromise on productivity. TruckMate SaaS provides comprehensive dispatch, operations, and accounting solutions for complex needs. Owners can survey the overall performance of their business and streamline operations across their enterprise. With TruckMate, you can manage and track freight in real time from pickup to delivery. Configure driver workflow to improve asset utilization and communication with dispatchers. Eliminate manual errors during the quote-to-cash process by centralizing document management, billing, and high-volume paperwork. Enter and track purchase orders, quotes, and vendor invoices, generate statements, manage employee payroll, and collect customer payments with our native accounting package. Drive better decision-making by reducing misdirected freight, improving tracing visibility, and capturing data earlier for effective planning with associated mobile applications like Connected Dock. Access an ever-growing portfolio of connected Trimble supply chain solutions, available via monthly subscription bundles that include cloud hosting, server hardware, ongoing technical support, regular backups, maintenance, and more. TruckMate is within reach for any size fleet or brokerage organization. Discover the power of an all-encompassing transportation management system for every part of your operation with the TruckMate solution.